I don't know what happened. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Something wrong with the horn. Good day to you, Rob's PH Scenes here. What we have here? Mapilion to mo. Asay mas maayo? This one or this one? We just bought a horn button which has a logo of a Corvette. We tried to install this logo. I'm not really sure if it fits because I think it's a bit bigger, but we will check it out. Just Allen wrench. So hard. I am the one who installed this. I already tried removing this before. So it's me who tighten it. Alright, that's it, all loose. So we'll remove it. I hope it fits, because if not, I lose money with this. Maybe somebody will buy. If it doesn't fit, maybe it fits in your Corvette. Because I don't like to see that very lipstick red MOMO horn button. So I want to replace that with the Corvette logo. Alright, let's remove. Here's the steering wheel. This is the ground. And this is the logo. So we'll remove this one. It's too big. I don't know. It doesn't fit. Sad life. It doesn't fit with this. Maybe there's another way. Maybe it directly fit here. Oh, it directly fits here. You don't know. You don't need this. Let's try. I'm not really sure. So it directly fits here. And with this one. What do you think? What's better? This one? Or that one? Since I have this in a while, let's try this, right? That one. So we'll install it. If I do this, this is the connection. The thing is, it doesn't fit. I need to make a ground here on the screw so I can attach this, something like that. That's what we're going to do for now. So supposed to be like that. This one is for the ground. This one here. If you put here, you press this one. That's how the horn works. So I need to find or locate something where I can attach this. Okay, so here's what I did. I made this wire, so I can just put this one here instead of this one. Put the ground here somewhere. So I'll just use this since the button doesn't fit here. Okay. Let's just finish this. So we'll get that screw. There. Let's find a hole because it's not that easy. And there's the Allen wrench. That one first. Let's just center all of it. So it will hold that. Alright. And it doesn't work. This horn button, something's wrong. I don't know what happened. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Something wrong with the horn. Did I get that right? You need to press hard? So we'll make this center a bit. Like that. Is that nice? What do you think? It's too much. Here, it's too much again. I think I needed to remove the battery so we will not distract the neighbor adjusting this. But but it's okay. One more. That's it. I made it. See? How much? 350 pesos. Online store. $5 to $7. So which one do you think? It's more nice. This horn button or this button? So we'll just keep this. So if ever we change our mind, we can put back the old or original MOMO Italy button. So if ever we need this, we can always retrieve it and use it again.